Welcome to Trade Time. I'm Alex. Today we're following plumbing 140 at Virginia Western Community College. We will be installing a mock drain line and copper pipe and soldering it together. Key things to think about when doing plumbing is safety, proper tools, and correct measurements. An important part of installing the EWP system is getting the correct measurements for your faucet. In this case, it's a 1/4 inch per foot. Here we have TJ and Christy installing our measurements to see where to drill the holes and install the pipe. Until next time, this is Alex with Trade Time.